What is the one word for an implement with a handle and a free swinging stick? The correct answer is flail. What is the one word for more than enough in size or scope or capacity? The correct answer is ample. What is the one word for done or made using whatever is available? The correct answer is makeshift. What is the one word for being essentially comparable to something? The correct answer is equivalent. What is the one word for incapable of or resistant to bending? The correct answer is rigid. What is the one word for deficient in amount or quality or extent? The correct answer is meager. What is the one word for having or marked by assurance? The correct answer is confident. What is the one word for accept an excuse for? The correct answer is pardon. What is the one word for characteristic of an earlier ancestral type? The correct answer is primitive. What is the one word for a person who travels by foot? The correct answer is pedestrian. What is the one word for royal authority, the dominion of a monarch? The correct answer is reign. What is the one word for adapt something wild to the environment? The correct answer is cultivate. What is the one word for a journey to some distant place? The correct answer is voyage. What is the one word for travel up? The correct answer is ascend. What is the one word for bring to an end or halt? The correct answer is terminate. What is the one word for not quite exact or correct? The correct answer is approximate. What is the one word for not serious in content, attitude, or behavior? The correct answer is frivolous. What is the one word for a strong wind moving 34 to 40 knots? The correct answer is gale. What is the one word for no longer in existence? The correct answer is extinct. What is the one word for angered at something unjust or wrong? The correct answer is indignant.